we are going to be learning a little bit more about nutrients. We've talked about nutrients a little bit already. Remember, nutrients are nourishing substances that are necessary for growth and the maintenance of life. To nourish means to provide with food or nutrients necessary for health and life. Nutrients are what keeps us strong and healthy and keeps our body systems working. We get nutrients through our food and drink. Some foods and drinks are rich in nutrients and have lots of good nutrients in them, like orange juice, broccoli, or milk. And some foods and drinks don't have a lot of nutrients in them, like candy or soda. We'll learn a little bit more about this in our lesson today, but first, let's go over our vocabulary words. Essential. Essential means absolutely necessary. When traveling by public transport, it is essential to arrive before the departure time on your schedule. Otherwise, you will miss your ride. Throughout this unit, we have been talking about things that are essential to staying healthy. Things like sleeping well, drinking lots of water, and listening to the things our brain is telling our bodies about what we need to do to help take care of it are essential for staying healthy. Other things like singing songs or reading books or dancing are fun and enjoyable, but they aren't essential for living. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are substances that supply the human body with energy. These are found in the foods that we eat. Fats. Fats are substances that in small doses are essential to a healthy body. Minerals. Minerals are non-living substances, small amounts of which are part of a healthy diet. If you eat different kinds of foods, your body will probably get all of the minerals that it needs. Proteins. Proteins are substances found in all body cells that are essential for growth. Why do you eat? Is it because certain foods taste really good to you? That's certainly one reason why I eat. I cannot imagine my world without the taste of a fresh bowl of vegetable soup or a peppermint stick ice cream cone on a summer's day. You also eat because you get hungry, right? Your tummy grumbles and complains that it hasn't been fed for a long time. But what is the main reason you eat? At last, Nick Nutri's chance to talk about my favorite topic, nutrients. You eat because you need the nutrients that food provides to stay healthy. We have talked a lot about nutrients in previous lessons. You know that your blood carries nutrients to all part of the human body. Your digestive and excretory systems filter waste from the body and send nutrients back into the blood. Your cells need nutrients to stay alive. Your tissues need nutrients to function properly. Your organs stop working without the right nutrients, and if your organs stop working, your body's systems might stop working too. So remember, cells are the smallest units of living things and the body's building blocks. Tissue is a group of cells that perform the same jobs. Organs are groups of tissue that do a particular job for the body. And a body system is a collection of organs that work together for the same purpose. You know that nutrients are good for you, but what exactly are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment necessary for the growth and health of an organism. Providing the body with the nutrients it needs is an essential or necessary part of staying healthy. So how do you get nutrients? From the food you eat. Nutritionists, like me, think of the body as a chemical factory. Everything you eat is made up of thousands of different chemical substances. The ones that every healthy body needs to stay alive are called nutrients. Everyone needs 4 basic nutrients: water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Say those with me so you remember them. Remember, the 4 basic nutrients are water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These nutrients come from different food sources. It is up to you to choose the right foods to supply your body with a proper balance of water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the best food choices for maintaining a healthy body. Let's start with a nutrient that is familiar to everybody: water. Water is perhaps the most important nutrient of all. It is necessary for all body functions. You cannot live for more than about a week without water. Did you know that 2/3 of your body is made up of water? Water is part of your blood. It travels in and out of your cells and helps to dissolve other nutrients, carrying them all to your tissues. Water is a necessary part of the excretory system, making up most of your urine. Water helps break down your food so that solid waste can pass from your body. Water even helps maintain the right body temperature. When given a choice of what to drink, water is always the healthiest choice you can make. It's up to you to constantly refill your body's supply of water. You need between 3 and 6 cups each day, but not all of your water needs to come from a cup. Did you know that many foods contain lots of water too? Grapefruit, watermelon, tomatoes, cucumber, and lettuce are all good choices. One way to tell whether you are getting enough water is to check the color of your urine. It should be practically colorless. All nutrients supply your body with energy, but the body's main source of energy comes from carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are found almost entirely in plant foods: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, peas, and beans. Potatoes, rice, and pasta are good choices for carbohydrates. Milk and milk products, like ice cream and yogurt, provide the body with carbohydrates and protein. Cheese has only a few carbohydrates. Protein is a bodybuilder and is contained in all body cells. It is necessary for your body's growth and development, building muscle, and helping to repair cells. It's easy to see how cells outside of the body, like hair, skin, and nails, renew themselves, isn't it? Each time we cut them, they grow right back. The body makes its own protein, but it needs help from foods. Good sources of protein include meat, fish, chicken, eggs, milk, and beans. The fourth nutrient that your body needs is fat. Butter, margarine, and oils are good sources of fat. Today, many people are overweight, so it may seem strange to you that I am telling you to include fat in your diet, but your body does need a certain amount of fat. That seems a little weird, so let's find out why. For one thing, fat is necessary for the development of your brain, especially in the first few years of your life. If you look at a skin cell under a microscope, you will be able to see a layer of fat cells. A thin layer of fat underneath your skin acts like a blanket, providing you with insulation, or protection, and warmth. Fat stores energy in your body and helps keep your skin healthy too. So you see, fat is an important nutrient, but you only need very small amounts of it. Your body can make most of its building blocks from carbohydrates and proteins. At a certain point in your life, you need to be careful not to eat too much fat, because that might cause you to gain too much weight. So far, you've learned that the body needs 4 basic nutrients to grow and stay healthy. Remember, these 4 nutrients are water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are not the only nutrients that your body needs. There are other important nutrients that are also essential to life. They are called vitamins and minerals. Your body needs less of them than the other 4 nutrients, but if you don't get enough vitamins and minerals, you can become sick. Long ago, sailors lived on a diet of only biscuits and salty meat while they were out at sea. They began to suffer from bleeding gums, and their bones became weak. Once they added lemons and limes to their diet, the sailors became much better. Citrus fruits, like lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits, gave the sailors the vitamin C that they needed to keep their blood vessels, gums, and teeth healthy. Vitamin C also helps build tissue to fight germs. That's why your mom or dad might give you extra orange juice if you feel like you're catching a cold. If you aren't a fan of citrus fruits, broccoli and tomatoes are also good choices to make sure you are getting enough vitamin C. Letters of the alphabet, like the letter C, are used for many vitamins. There's vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, and E, and so many more. Vitamin A is important for healthy skin and helps you see more clearly at night. Dairy products, carrots, and dark leafy greens contain lots of vitamin A. There are many different B vitamins: vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, and so on. The B vitamins, found mostly in meat, help the body perform lots of different functions. For example, vitamin B12 helps make red blood cells. Vitamin D, found in fish and egg yolks, helps build strong bones. Most of the vitamins you need come from vegetables, fruits, and grains. All vitamins are essential in small doses or amounts. If you have a healthy diet, you are probably getting all of the vitamins that you need. Fluoride is a mineral that is often added to public drinking water. It is contained in some toothpaste and mouthwash as well. This is because fluoride helps prevent tooth decay. Your body needs small amounts of different minerals, such as fluoride, to help perform specific body functions. Besides fluoride, other minerals include calcium, sodium, and iron. You can help your teeth and bones stay strong by eating foods rich in calcium. Milk, broccoli, and almonds are good choices. Sodium, found in table salt, bacon, and lots of soup broths, helps regulate the body's fluids. Then again, too much salt is not good for you. It causes the body to hold on to too much fluid, which can cause high blood pressure. If you feel weak, look pale, and get tired easily, you may need more iron. Eat more red meat, whole grains, and beans. Iron helps the blood carry oxygen throughout the body and helps the body fight infections. Each one of these minerals provides important nutrients for your body. As with vitamins, you can get most of the minerals you need by eating a healthy diet. That's what we will talk about the next time we meet: the best foods for you to eat. All right, my friends, before we go today, I want to give a quick reminder about adverbs. Remember, adverbs are words that describe action words or verbs. In our read aloud, we heard that vitamin A helps you see more clearly at night. The verb in that sentence is see. What word describes the action of seeing? Vitamin A helps you see more clearly at night. This one is tricky because the adverb is not right next to the verb. But the adverb in this sentence is clearly. Clearly is describing how you see. Many adverbs end in ly, like clearly, but not all of them. Let's try a couple more sentences. I am speaking softly. What's our adverb in that sentence? Our verb was speaking, so our adverb was softly. Let's try another one with that same verb. I am speaking quickly. Well, I hope you caught that one. Our adverb in that one was quickly. How about this one? I am speaking loudly. Our adverb is loudly. One more. I am speaking slowly. What's our adverb in that one? It was slowly. Today, I want you to see if you can practice adverbs with someone in your family. Speak slowly or softly, or think of a new adverb to practice with.